Welcome back. I will be sharing with you the ultimate guide to snake plant care and propagation. Welcome to Leafy Life. Today we're talking about one of the most popular and low-maintenance houseplants, the snake plant. Stick around to learn all about its care and how to propagate it easily. Snake plants, also known as sansevieria or mother-in-law's tongue, are perfect for beginners. They're tough, air-purifying, and look great in any space. Let's dive into how to care for this fantastic plant. Snake plants thrive in bright, indirect light, but can also tolerate low light conditions. They're very adaptable, making them ideal for almost any spot in your home. However, for best growth, place them in indirect sunlight. One of the key aspects of snake plant care is watering. Water your plants sparingly, about once every 2 to 3 weeks. Allow the soil to dry out completely between waterings to prevent root rot. Overwatering is a common mistake, so when in doubt, less is more. Snake plants prefer well-draining soil. A cactus or succulent mix works perfectly. When repotting, choose a pot with drainage holes to prevent water from sitting at the bottom. Repot your snake plant every 2-3 years or when it outgrows its pot. Snake plants are very forgiving when it comes to temperature and humidity. They do well in average room temperatures, but avoid placing them in drafty areas or near heating vents. They prefer low to moderate humidity levels. Now let's talk about how to propagate your snake plant and create new plants for free. The first method is propagating through leaf cuttings in water. Start by cutting a healthy leaf near the base. Cut it into sections about 4 to 5 inches long. Place the cuttings in a glass of water, ensuring the cut ends are submerged. Change the water every few days to keep it fresh. In a few weeks, you'll notice roots starting to form. Once the roots are a couple of inches long, you can plant them in soil. Another method is planting leaf cuttings directly in soil. Cut a leaf into sections as before, and let the cut ends dry out for a day or two to prevent rot. Plant the cuttings about an inch deep in well-draining soil. Water sparingly and keep the soil lightly moist until new growth appears. Be patient. It can take several weeks for new roots to develop. And that's it. Caring for and propagating snake plants is really simple and rewarding. They're a great addition to any indoor garden. Which propagation method are you excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Leafy Life for more plant care tips, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Happy gardening! Thanks for watching. Follow us on social media, Leafy Life, for more plant inspiration. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button to get more updates on plant-related video.